commerce background. It was very, as coming from commerce background, it was very nice experience for me. So at the beginning of this workshop, women don't know about anything, what are the natural resources available, and what they could make from these resources. And as this workshop coming to an end, they know how to market it, how to use their finance, where to minimize their expense. So they know lots of things. And and also in terms of finance also, they know where their cash are going and where they could control it. So from my side, it was very nice experience, and thank you for conducting this workshop for us and for the women.
So for me, as we know, the basic notion of ruler is that about resources, the lack of resources, and conducting such a workshop, like building your own business and conducting it, the lack of feasibility seems to be the quite most prominent thing. And since I come from an agriculture background, I have actually seen and mingled with rural people. But actually motivating them to do something for such a short span of time, that was quite intriguing. Because when I saw the women, they came for the first day. They were in the mood that they'll be taught something for 3 days, they'll be the quiet learner. But they actually went on and became an active participant, and they had quite a turn of action. They were thinking, and their thought process, how it changed gradually in these 3 years, it was very fast. So that kind of change couldn't be brought. It's a well thought out, and the work behind it, I could see it's a lot of work has been put on for conducting this 3-day workshop. Because you can't, I have seen in my 4 years of graduation, such kind of drastic change in just 3 days is not possible. So it was really nice experience.
What were the aha moments for you?
Yeah, I told you, the first day when the women came, they were not in a mood of actually engaging. They were in a sit back position and actually were trying to be a listener or something. But then today, how they actually went on, and at the end of the session, they were actually selling the products, getting the orders, and they were quite engaged with what they have done. They were proud of what they have done, and they enjoyed the process thoroughly. So actually making them do, it could come out of them, the homemakers who had in the back of their mind, they wanted to go back home, their husbands are calling, but still they are doing the things in the best way they can, and they are being done. That's was a very different thing.
Kind of aha moment.
Yes, these women can do this much.
Great.